Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'll be showing you a product. You see the product here in front of me. It's dining chair, and I got two same type of chairs if you see, and I'm using a work desk as a dining table, which I have already posted a video earlier. And this dining chair has a cushion base if you see, and it is made up of completely wood. And I'll be showing you the product from the closer look if you see. And basically I got this product from Circular Hub. Whenever you are trying to visit for IKEA, just check it on the Circular Hub. If you will find any such similar product in the Circular Hub, get it from there, because you will be getting a best discounted price for the item. And if you see this one, it is a very good quality wood used here. So the product name here, it is mentioned. I can show you. So this is the view from the inside view. It has, I can show you the product name as well. So if you see, the product name is LERHAMN, LERHAMN, and the code is 16384. So and if you see the cushion, so you see the cushion here, because I got it from the Circular Hub. There were not much, but just a little bit of dirt on the cushion, but you can easily do a dry clean. And the weight is not that much, but the quality is really good. I have two chairs here, so the cushion is comfortable, and you won't get any hand rests, but you can use it as a dining table chair. And I have two chairs here, both are of same quality, and the price which I paid for this is around 1800 rupees from IKEA Circular Hub, but the MRP would be around 7000 rupees, around $90, but we got it for around $20 in IKEA Circular Hub. It was with a great discount. So if you see here, you can easily use it as a dining chair, and very comfortable chair. And whenever you are maybe whenever you are visiting IKEA Circular Hub, you can try to find such products. Whenever you go to the Circular Hub, you will find a lot of other products with a very great discounts, maybe with a great deal as well. You can get it for 30%, 40% easily. You'll get discounts on all or multiple variety of IKEA products. So whatever you see here, the table, two of the chairs are completely from IKEA. This I got it for around 7000 to 8000 rupees, and these two chairs are for 1800 each, which is $20. I think the video is helpful, guys, and if you like the video, just click on the like button, and do not forget to post any comments if you have any doubts, and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you, and thanks for watching.